Halo everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will present our group discussion about ideal gas law from group 3. My name is Teresia Alsan Abilia, my friend is Lutfidia Nadifa and Muhammad Sikrullah Fauda. Okay, the first is definition of the gas law. The ideal gas law is an extension of the gas law discovered through experimentation. Real fluids at low density at high temperature closely follow the ideal gas law. However, at low temperatures or high densities, real fluids deviate significantly from the ideal gas behavior, mainly due to considering condensing into liquids or depositing into solids. The deviation is expressed in the compressibility factor. The next is factor influence the behavior of ideal gases. The first is temperature, second is pressure, third is volume, fourth is amount of substance, fifth is gas constants, and the last is gas type. The basic law of ideal gas. Okay, the first is Robert Boyle law. Boyle law is a law that describes the inverse relationship between the volume and pressure of gas. The product of pressure and volume is a constant number. PV is K. If the volume changes, that the pressure will also change. P1 V1 is P2 V2. The second is Gay-Lussac. Gay-Lussac's law states that the pressure of a mass of gas is directly proportional to the absolute temperature of the gas. When the volume condition is constant, this means that the process takes place in condition isochoric or constant volume. Mathematically, this can be written like this: P per T is constant. Relationship between pressure and temperature at constant volume, P1 per T1 is P2 per T2. The third is Charles. Charles' law states that if a gas is in closed space with pressure kept constant, making the volume of a certain amount of gas will be directly proportional to its absolute temperature. From the statement of Charles' law, here is the equation: V per T is constant, or V1 per T1 is V2 per T2. The last is Boyle-Gay-Lussac. As the name suggests, it is a statement from Boyle law and Gay-Lussac law, which states that the product of pressure and volume divided by temperature for a certain number of gas particles or moles is constant. Mathematically, the Boyle's law and Gay-Lussac's law equation can be written as follows: P1 V1 per T1 is P2 V2 per T2. Characteristic ideal gas. The first is volume is proportional to moles. The second is volume is inversely proportional to pressure, or P. PV is constant and PV is constantly at N and constantly T. The third is pressure is proportional to absolute temperature. This relationship can be defined into the gas equation. And this is a example, and the next is video of ideal gas, about ideal gas law, Charles' law, Gay-Lussac law, and Boyle's law. And the next is example of questions. Okay, the example is an ideal gas in a space initially has volume, or V, and temperature, or T. If the gas is heated, so the temperature changes into 7 per 3 T and the pressure changes to 3 P. Then the volume of the gas changes to. Okay, so the answer for the question is we can use a Boyle-Gay-Lussac law. Can be defined as P1 V1 per T1 is P2 V2 per T2. So V is 3V2 per 7 per 3. 7V per 3 is 7V2. So V2 is 7V per 9. So the gas volume changes to 7 per 9 times the beginning volume. So the answer is 7 per 9. So this is the presentation that we made. Thank you for watching.